This is my mantra. I eat to live and live to enjoy everything else.
I don't eat any potatoes. I don't eat any potatoes either.
I don't eat cheese or any grains. Yep, that means no bread, no cereal, no cookies. No butter, no cream, that's saturated fat. Yuck! Almost all my carbs come from beans, cashews, and fruit. We must ignore 90% of what we see in supermarkets. It's ridiculous. Having spent all my life having some sweet dessert after dinner, and there is quite an addiction to overcome. After every dinner, I would crave something sweet. It takes a while for fruit to replace dessert.
Eat to live and then live. Everything else to enjoy. Grains of shit about I don't give. Sad fats the body will destroy. Let me tell you what grains include. Cereal, pancakes of coarse bread. They're the least nutritional food. Cows from grains, you'll be sooner dead. Just like potatoes, rice and cheese, butter, pasta, processed meat, over